I'm going to be showing you how to make thick, fluffy slime. So first you're going to need a bowl, some glue, cornstarch, shaving cream, food coloring, this is optional, aloe, which is also optional, lotion, foaming hand soap, and lastly, foaming facial cleanser. Start by pouring in some glue. Next, add some foaming hand soap. After, you want to add lotion, some aloe, foaming facial cleanser, cornstarch, food coloring, and add your shaving cream. And lastly, mix. After you finish mixing everything well, you want to add your activator, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of water. It may be sticky at first, but once you knead it, it'll become smooth and not stick. Oh look, I found some food color. This slime is not non-deflatable, so it will deflate because there's shaving cream added in here. But it's pretty nice after it deflates because it turns into like a clay slime without clay, which is another reason why I really like this recipe.